PI planning is one of the most visible responsibilities of the release train engineer. But strong RTEs do not treat PI planning as a two-day calendar event. They treat it as an alignment and risk management system. Before PI planning, the RTE helps ensure business context, product vision, architecture guidance, and feature readiness. Capacity, dependencies, and leadership readiness are prepared. During PI planning, the RTE facilitates alignment, team breakouts, and plan reviews. Dependency mapping, ROAMING, and confidence votes. After PI planning, they help track dependencies, confirm risk ownership, and support execution. A weak RTE runs the event. A strong RTE improves the operating model. Book your free 15-minute Agile Career Forge discovery call. Click the link below to book your discovery call.